Hi there, YouTube. This is my bird Miley, and she loves to talk. Miley, Miley, what you doing? Pretty bird, what you doing? Pretty bird, what are you doing? What are you doing? You pretty bird? Pretty bird. What are you doing? Miley, you a pretty bird. Miley, a pretty bird? What are you doing? Pretty bird. Pretty bird. Hello, Miley. How are you? How are you, pretty baby? Pretty baby. Pretty bird. What you doing? What are you doing? Pretty bird. Pretty bird, what are you doing? This is Miley. She's a half-moon conure. And she's got all kinds of personality too. They're very intelligent birds also. They're noisy. They like to be, they like for you to know that they're there. They're comical birds. But they're very cool little birds too, and good talkers. What you doing? Can you say hello to everybody? Huh? Can you? Can you say hi to everybody? Say hi. I would like to introduce you to Kaya. He says hello. Hello, Kaya. Hello, Kaya. Hello. Say hello to YouTube. Say hello, YouTube. He also talks really well. I do not recommend these birds as pets. They can be a little devilish, should I say. But nevertheless, they are good talkers, and they are also good birds.
Something in her hair.
Kaya, say hello, Kaya. Hello. Say pretty, pretty, pretty. Is Kaya pretty? Is Kaya a pretty bird? Is Kaya a pretty bird? Are you pretty? Pretty, pretty, pretty. You gonna talk today? Kaya. They do like one person usually. They're not really sociable birds, but they will do all kinds of stuff for one person. They just don't really like any other birds around them if you're holding them. They're real territorial of their cage. That sort of thing. So if you're thinking about getting a Quaker, you probably don't want to do that. But, you know, that's my opinion. If you like that sort of thing, he's here to stay. You know, I love him all, just even with his little quirks. Kaya, say pretty bird. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. You gonna tell everybody you're pretty? Pretty, 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 pretty. Kaya, you gonna tell everybody you're pretty? Hey, pretty, 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 pretty. You don't want to talk today. This here is a very beautiful bird. And he is a sun conure. This is Sundance, and he likes to dance when he wants to. Don't know if we'll get him dancing today, but he's a 4-year-old male. And if you're looking for beauty in a bird, you found one here because he's very pretty.
Almost.
He hasn't started talking yet. I've only had him about 6 months or so. So, obviously you see where he got his name, Sundance, because it's a son conure and he likes to dance. But he's also a very comical bird. And he whispers, so I believe he's trying to learn to talk. It just might take some more time. Because you hear him making noises, if you can hear that, if it's picking it up. So, Sundance! Is Sundance pretty?
Yes.
Is Sundance a pretty bird? But as you can see, he's got beautiful colors. And this is Sundance. Kaya, you gonna say pretty, pretty, pretty? Now they're all gonna be quiet. Usually they're loud and crazy. Well, over and out. Just wanted to introduce you. Kaya? You want to eat my camera? Yeah, Kaya wants to eat the camera. Kaya! You want to eat the camera? Oh, he bit it. Kaya! I don't think he likes the camera very much. He's a little camera shy today. Hello!
Okay.
He says words like bye. He says words like mama. He barks like a dog. But getting him to do it right now, he's got a little birdie attitude. So, until next time, YouTube, later.